Hi everyone, I'm Kelly Longtin from Kelly Longtin Law, and today I'm here to talk to you about the importance of estate planning for the LGBTQ couples. Now, everyone needs estate planning, regardless of your age or your race or your sexual orientation. And properly protecting your future and your loved ones requires a plan. Now, for LGBTQ couples, there's a few things that you should consider when thinking about creating an estate plan. Now, every couple is unique, and it's our goal to ensure that your personal wishes are carried out and that no one else is dictating what should happen with you or your money or your property or your children. Now, if you already have estate planning documents prepared, you should review them periodically. And if your estate planning documents were signed prior to 2015, it is crucial to have a qualified estate planning attorney review them, as same-sex marriage is now recognized in all 50 states. This recognition could open up all new planning opportunities for you that may not have been available to you in prior years if you and your partner are married now. As I mentioned, with same-sex marriage being recognized in all 50 states, now is an opportunity to decide, if you're not married already, whether you or your partner should tie the knot. And while there's a lot of emotions behind marriage, there's also estate planning and tax considerations. And depending on your situation, we can sit down and make sure that your estate plan is drafted in such a way that ensures that all of your wishes, emotional or financial, will be carried out. Now, if you have biological or adopted children, you'll need to name someone to take care of them should something happen to you. And this is especially important if your partner is not your children's legal parent. And without the proper appointment and estate planning in place, the court could end up placing your children with someone that you wouldn't even have chosen. Alternatively, if you'd like to provide for your partner's children, but you haven't legally adopted them, you'll need to make sure that your will or trust specifically states what you would like the children to receive, since they wouldn't be entitled to anything unless you had a will or trust in place. Absent estate planning executed by you, state law is going to decide who's going to receive your assets and who's going to be in charge of your affairs after you pass away. And for some unmarried individuals, this could be the last individuals you want acting on your behalf or receiving your money and property. And if you and your partner are not married and do not plan to get married, you'll need to make sure that your estate planning specifically appoints them to these specific and important roles as far as estate planning goes. Your personal representative or trustee, or your property power of attorney, or your medical power of attorney. And you want them to have and designate what your partner is to receive at your death. And if you have good friends that you consider to be your family, or causes that are very close to you, you'll need to have an executed estate plan to protect and provide for your true family, whether or not they are your blood relatives. Additionally, if you're estranged from your family, proper planning can ensure that they will have little or no involvement in your affairs after you pass away, reducing the possibility of a family member coming out to contest your wishes. And this can be done by using a trust to distribute your money and property so that there's no court involvement and only those named in the trust will have access to the necessary information by explicitly stating in your will which family members are to receive nothing, and by including a no contest provision in your document to ensure that they don't try to fight over something that you didn't want them to have. Now, we are here to help you navigate this sensitive issue. Now, estate planning can provide you with the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your wishes will be carried out in the way that you want after you passed away. So please give us a call so we can schedule an appointment to get you on the path toward protecting your loved ones.